Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle VFX in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and insert one part into your workspace. This part will serve as the base for our particle emitter. Next, add one particle emitter object directly into this part. We will then adjust its properties to form a perfect circle, adding a professional touch to your game's visual design. This process is straightforward and highly customizable. To begin, select your particle emitter and navigate to its properties window. Locate the shape property and change it from box to disk. This immediately gives us a flat, circular emission area. Next, set the size property to a sequence like 0.5, 1, 0 to make particles grow then shrink. Adjust lifetime to around 2 seconds for a visible duration, ensuring your circle effect is clear and impactful. Now, let's refine the circle's appearance. Set the spread angle property to 0, 0 to ensure particles emit straight up or down, depending on the part's orientation. For a tight circle, reduce the speed property to a value like 0.5. This keeps particles close to the emitter. Increase drag to around 0.5 as well. This helps particles decelerate, maintaining a compact and well-defined circular shape for your visual effect. Finally, personalize your circle VFX. Change the color property to any hue you desire, perhaps a vibrant blue or a fiery red. Adjust transparency to create a fading effect, starting at 0 and ending at 1. Consider adding a custom texture to your particles for unique designs, like stars or sparks. Increase light emission to 0.8 for a subtle glow, making your circular effect truly stand out in your Roblox game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.